The tap of drip, the dripping tap. This thing is driving me insane. What's this fucking tap? I've shoved a banana in a cup. Oh, it's driving me insane. It's like it's eating into my neck. Just listen to the sound. There's nothing you can do. Nothing you can do. It's dripping away, dripping away. It's like my life is dripping away. Oh, okay. I feel like I'm in The Shining or something. Anyway, so serious point. The tap. Just, I want to kill someone. It makes me want to throw everything in the kitchen out of the window and just smash the whole place. Just probably fuck my phone up. Anyway, it's in the background and I'm trying to just like, okay, let's just let it go. But I'm really starting to feel like Jack Nicholson from The Shining. Anyway, so I've left a series of evil notes for my mum to deal with. 1, the tap is actually driving me insane. And more insane that I have asked you to get a plumber for nearly every day. So I've asked you to get a plumber in nearly every day for a while. It is a simple action. Call a plumber. You cannot buy a new set of windows, then claim money is why you haven't called a plumber. She's got this new fucking set of windows for the front of the house and a new door, right, front door, which cost £5,000. This tap has been dripping for more than 6 months. The tap has been dripping for over like 2 years. It started small, so we didn't really care. Now it's really aggressive. It's like, this is on a slow mode. When you put it up to the top, to the hot mode, and it makes makes a noise in the background over here as well. You probably can't hear it, but it's maddening. It's maddening, but not only for the noise of the tap, but as the note says, I have asked my mum, who is the landlady lord of this abode, I have asked her many times, oh, that tap's annoying me, can you call a plumber in? I'll do it, but I don't have the money. So it's a feeling of powerlessness. It's a feeling of, why don't you do the fucking tap, you irritating person, you irritating tap. It's a simple action. Just call a plumber. What, are you afraid of plumbers? Maybe she's got plumophobia. Why you haven't called a plumber? And then I got really pissed off, so I squashed it tomorrow. So insane, I tell ya. P.S. Please call a plumber to fix the dripping tap. all work and no play. I'm not going to leave these out, am I? Because that would make me actually look like a nutter. And not only would it make me look like a nutter, it would make me feel like a nutter. And I don't mind looking like a nutter, but when I actually feel like I'm becoming a nutter, then... Oh God, with that tap though. And I'm just trying to, like, you know, do the whole... Okay, that's a sound. It's a sound. It's really winding me up. And feel the emotion. And deal with the emotion of the experience. And like, not let it get to me, man. And, you know, not make me go out on a killing spree. So, now that I've had that little bit of fun, I will ask my mum again. I think she's actually going to do it soon, though, to be fair. Whereas she hasn't. I've always felt like she's not really going to do anything about it, but now I think she's starting to get pissed off about it as well. So, hopefully it will happen. But that fucking tap, mate, that tap. So, instead of leaving snotty, insane notes to my parent, my one parent, that's a different story. Instead of leaving insane notes, I've put the Buddha on watch. He can observe the tap and help bring a feeling of peace to the world from the tap. I might put it right next to the tap, actually. What's that noise? Right, you Buddha. You look at that tap and you fix the tap with your powers. It is the sound of tranquility, isn't it, Buddha? Doesn't help that there's knives lying around either. Is there? You deal with this now. Because I can't deal with it, okay? You with your strong meditation powers. You use it to deepen your sense of tranquility, yes? See, Buddha seems okay with it. So Buddha can deal with that. So I don't have to, I just think of how the Buddha would deal with it instead. Calm blue ocean. Calm blue ocean. Okay, so now we can move slowly away from the offending area. Allow Buddha to deal with the tap. I do actually feel slightly better with him dealing with that, so I'm gonna calm, and I will just talk to my mum in a civilised way tomorrow. And peace will reign supreme in the tap area.